My name is Scapo. I am a staff cloud solutions architect here at VMware. Aria Orchestrator is a super cool and powerful product that we have. It lets you create workflows to automate anything you want to automate. The cool thing that we're going to talk about in the lab is the polyglot functionality of it, which means that in addition to using JavaScript to write the workflows, customers can use Python, PowerShell, Node.js, and other cool scripting languages. The thing that sets it apart is that Orchestrator is kind of like the hidden gem of the VMware Aria portfolio, in that like everyone knows it's there, but not everybody understands everything that it can do, and it can do a lot. Yeah, so the users that are typically going to be interested in this lab are going to be our system engineer, cloud admins that are looking to make their lives easier so they can drink more coffee and work less, and they can use Orchestrator to automate their tasks so they can do those things. The way that the labs really give value is that because they're self-contained, we can inject new features into the lab remotely without having to rebuild it. So as new things come up or we learn new things, we can help demonstrate that with customers. But the coolest thing about the labs is that because it's a virtual environment, if you mess up and you break it, you just start over again, and it's not like it's a big setback to your environment. Orchestrator, it's just a great tool, and this lab is a really good way to help get over that learning curve. I think a lot of people are intimidated by Orchestrator, and this lab really shows how easy it is to get going with it.